Now, the last thing I want to point to is when you come back to the schedule, you'll see that there is a first day video. You probably clicked on this to watch this video. And then there is another link called orientation assignments. And if you click on that, again, it'll take you to the modules. It'll explain what the book is and what it looks like, how some information on how to buy the book, and how to register for MindTap, um, some information about the class and Canvas. But when you're ready to do the assignments, you want to come over here to graded assignments. Remember that you have to complete these assignments as participation for your first week. This becomes incredibly important so that you do not get withdrawn as a no-show for the first week. And there are a few assignments here, but they're all quick assignments. They're just to get you started. The first one I want to look at is to choose the sections of the book for your SciTalk videos. Depending on which class you have, you might have 3 videos or 4 videos that you have to complete. Every few weeks, you have to turn in one video. The video is going to be on a section of the book that you have read. And so the first thing you have to do this week is to choose the sections of the book. Now, if you click on here, it'll give you a quick synopsis of what to do. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over step by step how to do it here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look on the left-hand side menu and find people. Now, your people section is going to look a little different from mine. Mine has these tabs and yours will say groups. And so when you click on that, you're going to have the list of all of the sections of the book that you can read in order to do your SciTalk video. Another difference is that yours will have this word join somewhere around this area. And so let's say that you wanted to choose section 1.1 as your SciTalk, as your first SciTalk section. Well, you're just going to click join here. Please don't join a section of the book that already has a person that has chosen it. This isn't a group assignment. This is just how we're going to assign the different sections of the book. Another issue you'll see is that if you click to join a group that is too close to the section you've already chosen, it won't let you, or it will, but it'll take you out from the first one and put you in the second one. And obviously you don't want that. So what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to look that here it says First SciTalk. And so once you join a group that is called First SciTalk, don't join another group that is called First SciTalk because it will take you out from the first choice you made. Instead, you're going to scroll down until you find other groups that are called Second SciTalk. Or keep scrolling until you find another set of groups that is called Last SciTalk or Third SciTalk or Fourth SciTalk, depending on how many you have to do. And then if you click join on one of these, it will not take you out from the first choices that you have made. Once you have made a choice for each section, then you are done. You don't have to turn anything in. I will put your grade once I see that your name is in each of the assignments. If you do not choose a section by the end of the week, eventually I will go in and just assign the rest of the individuals. That means that you might not get the group that you want, or I should say the section of the book that you want. And it'll also mean that you won't get as many points on this specific assignment. If you have any questions, make sure that you message me through the Canvas inbox. The next thing you'll do is your introduction. You'll click on that and you'll notice that there are some directions here. It says to introduce yourself, and then of these other prompts that you can talk about. The introduction doesn't have to be long. It might be a minute. It shouldn't be more than 5 minutes. You will record this video using your phone or the camera in your laptop, and you can upload it in a few ways. You can either try to upload the video directly into Canvas, which should work for most of you. But if it doesn't, then the easiest thing to do is to upload it into YouTube and just post the link. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to look for the recap quiz. There's nothing special about this quiz. You don't have to study for it or anything like that. You just have to complete it. It's going to ask you, did you finish the introduction? Did you choose the 3 sections of the book? All right, everyone. If you have any questions, write them down. You should feel free to email me. The easiest way to email me is through Canvas, going through the inbox. If you have an emergency, you should feel free to text me at my personal phone, but please only use this for emergencies.